In this question, you're given that you have two lines AB and CD. So the first line is passing through 0, 0 and 2, 3. The second line is passing through 2, -2 and 3, 5. And you're asked to find the angle between these two lines. So as we have seen, between these two lines you have an acute angle and an obtuse angle. So you're asked to find what this angle is. So we'll use the formula. So tan theta is equal to m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 m2. So if you want the angle between two lines, you need the slopes of these two lines. Now you're given 2 points on these lines, on each of these lines. So I can very easily find the slope. So what is the slope of AB? The slope of AB is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. 3 minus 0 by 2 minus 0, which is equal to 3 by 2. What is the slope of the line CD? So slope of the line CD is equal to, again, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. As we have seen, you can do the subtraction in any direction that you want. So let me take these as x2 y2 and these as x1 y1. So 5 minus of minus 2 is plus 2 divided by 3 minus 2, that is 7. That means the slope of this line is 7. Now you have two slopes. Let us take one slope as m1, the other slope as m2. So if you apply this formula, 7 minus 3 by 2 by 1 plus 7 times 3 by 2, that is equal to 14 minus 3, 11 by 2 by 2 plus 21, 23 by 2. This 2 and 2 gets cancelled. That's equal to 11 by 23. So you got a positive number by taking this as m2 and the 3 by 2 slope as m1. So tan theta is a positive number. So theta is equal to tan inverse of 11 by 23. So this is the acute angle between these lines. This is the acute angle. Now, for suppose if you take the slope of this line as m2 and the slope as this line as m1 and apply the same formula. So what do you get in that case? 3 by 2 minus 7 by 1 plus 3 by 2 into 7. You get exactly the same number but with a negative sign. So tan theta is equal to minus 11 by 23. What does this mean? If you find theta from this number, so you get the obtuse angle, that is, you get this angle. So one angle, if you take the positive number, the angle that you get will be acute. If you take the negative number, the angle that you get will be obtuse. Now, if you want always the acute angle between two straight lines, you can as well use this formula. So if you use this formula, so mod of 11 by 23, that is equal to 11 by 23. And here also if you use this mod, finally your answer will be a positive number. So you'll always get the acute angle between two straight lines. So I hope you have understood how we have solved this question. We have found the two slopes and we have directly applied the formula. Thank you.